Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to write G02 and G03 using our value. Consider my tool start point is here. Here you can see radius is 20 millimeters. Here in this example with respect to my origin starting point x distance is 10 millimeters and y distance is 40 millimeters. Therefore my start point is G01 x 10.0 y 40.0. Similarly my end point from origin in x distance is 30 millimeters and y distance is 20 millimeters. Here you can see that direction from my start point to end point is moving in clockwise direction. Therefore my end point is G02 x 30.0 y 20.0 with r 20.0. Similarly in the other example you can my start point and end point are here. With respect to my origin my start point in x distance is 50 millimeters and y distance is 20 millimeters. Therefore my start point is G01 x 50.0 y 20.0. Here you can see radius is 20 millimeters. Now my end point with respect to origin, x distance is 10 millimeters and y distance is 20 millimeters. Here from start point to end point the direction is counterclockwise. Therefore my end point is G03 x 10.0 y 20.0 with r 20.0. Thank you for watching the video.